There is a lot of money in affiliate marketing, and this website, which is called Digistore24, has loads of products, okay? And loads of products just means loads of money. And if you do this properly, guys, you're setting yourself up for success. So follow the video, hit that subscribe, and let's go and make money. First of all, I want to show you this, okay? Digistore24.com has 2.7 million views on a monthly basis, okay? So that's a lot of people who are making money with this because no one is coming to Digistore24 to buy something, okay? They come there to get those affiliate marketing products and they get there to make money, okay? So a lot of people are coming there and you can see that it's a nice traffic. There was even 3 million people making money on Digistore24 in the month of August. So this is a good website. There is really a lot of money that can be made on this website, guys. Trust me, making money online has never been easier. You can also see that Digistore24 has good ratings on Trustpilot, so you can be sure that it is a legitimate website which pays you money, okay? 4.7 out of 5 speaks for itself. You don't have to mention anything else. A lot of good comments they have as well, and you can see that the people are satisfied. Great support. I really appreciate this opportunity. Everyone loves Digistore24, and you're gonna love it as well because you're gonna make loads of money, guys. You just have to apply yourself, and of course, you have to be patient. Nothing is gonna come on its own, and you gotta be patient, guys. If you ain't patient, money is not gonna come. So what do we have to do once we get to Digistore24 is, of course, we have to make ourselves an account in order to join this large affiliate network, okay? So click on the Register Now button, which is located here. And once you make that account, you can get the money. But be sure to check this affiliate section here so you can sign up as an affiliate. And then, of course, you can enjoy these commissions up to 85%. Now, 85% commission. This is crazy commission, okay? There's no site out there which gives this many commission. Out of every $100, you get 85 bucks for yourself. Now, that's crazy good money. Next on, guys, we have weekly payouts who are always on time, okay? So you don't have to wait around for your money, okay? This is really cool. No waiting around. Money is coming right to you. So as soon as you make yourself an account, go and log in inside. I'm gonna log in into my account so I can show you how we can make the money, where we can get the traffic, and I will show you how easy this is. Once you log in inside, this is gonna be your dashboard. You have a lot of useful information here, and then you go to Marketplace. Immediately go over to Marketplace where you can find all of the products. Of course, on this left-hand side here, you can find a lot of useful categories. So this is differentiated. But of course, if you have some passion for a certain category on this list, it is going to be way more fun, okay? So if you have passion, I don't know, for family and kids, you stick with that. If you have something with, I don't know, home and garden, stick with that. It's going to be more fun. But maybe the most profitable one is fitness and health, because fitness and health is a real industry, okay? People want to lose weight, they don't want to run, they don't want to go to a gym, they don't want to eat less, and they are just going from diet to diet with no real results, okay? So they're finding these products and they want to buy something that is going to help them, okay? So for example, this Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, this is a perfect product for those kind of people, okay? Because first of all, you can see that you can get almost $25 per each one of those sales. And the people who are willing to buy this, they are desperate for this kind of thing, okay? They want to lose that weight so fast, so desperate for it because nothing is working out for them. And the next thing that they're going to see is this, and they're going to buy it, and you're going to get 25 bucks for it. And I've said, guys, this is a really popular niche. A lot of people are doing that, so you can sell this a lot. And of course, you can make a lot of money with it. So hit that subscribe button once again if you haven't already. Thank you. Of course, this method is going to work all around around the world, so it doesn't matter. You can live in Morocco and you can still get the money. Only if you apply yourself, if you follow the steps. And now I'm going to show you why this works. If you go on a website which is called Google Trends, okay, and you search for weight loss. Now, Google Trends is a place where you can explore certain keywords, and if you type anything in here, it is going to show you whether people are searching for it or whether they're not. So if we type in weight loss, for example, and we hit enter, we're going to see that this is a really popular thing, okay? At least in America, at least in the United States. It is the most fattest country in the world, but you can as well change this to worldwide and you can see the results. People are searching for it. This is the number one keyword nowadays, okay? Fitness industry is a self-made industry and there's a lot of money circulating around that. So that is why this is working and that is why you can get a lot of money on it, okay? So now we have to find where those people are gathering, okay? So what do you have to do in order to start this offer? You have to click on promote and then you're gonna get this link and it is gonna be copied to your clipboard. Now we have to find the people. The first thing that you can do is you can go over to Facebook or maybe you can go to google.com and type in weight loss forums, okay? And you will find a lot of these forums which are related to weight loss, right? And people in these forums are gathering here for a reason, right? They want to lose weight. They're not inside of these forums because they are, I don't know, building a computer for themselves. They don't look for PC competence. They are in here to lose that weight or to gain muscle or whatever. And this Keto Ultimate Meal Plan is the perfect product, perfect thing for people inside of these groups. And you're gonna help them in a way, you know? They're gonna use that and they're like shed 1 or 2 kilos, but you are getting $25 per each one of those. Now there's one more trick and I suggest that you do that, okay? Type in advanced search, okay? Just type in advanced search and then what you can do is you can go over to this and then go scroll down and click on region, okay? Now you wanna find the United States. It is down there. And when you find the United States, now what is this going to do? It is going to get you the forums only from the United States, okay? So now you have to put in this keyword, weight loss forums, and it is going to search only those from the US. Click on advanced search and voila, you get the forums which are in the United States, and that is where the most money is. And we have seen that in the previous search that a lot of people are searching that, and you can see here number 2 on the list. Number 1 is actually Australia, so you can do this with Australia as well. They have a lot of money as well, but the number 2 is the United States, okay? United States, that's where the money is. So now what you have to do is you just have to go and engage with the people on these forums. You can just be nice to the people there, right? Just engage with them, be friendly, be kind, tell them that you have a special product for them that can help them shed that weight, okay? And that's gonna be it, guys. You're gonna get a lot of those sales, $25 for you each one of those, and that's a lot of money for you guys. So just go out there, take that action, and I'll catch you.